In this tutorial, we'll be delving into the do-while loop in Node.js JavaScript. The do-while loop is a bit unique, as it guarantees at least one execution of the loop, no matter what. In this code, we start by declaring a variable I and initializing it to 0. Then we enter the do-while loop. This loop will print the current value of I, and then increment I by 1. The loop will keep going as long as I is less than 5. As you can see, the loop prints the numbers 0 through 4. Even if we started with I being 5, the loop would still execute once because the condition is checked after the loop's code has been executed. Now, let's compare this to a while loop, which is similar but has a key difference. In this code, we again start by declaring a variable, this time j, and initializing it to 5. The while loop checks the condition before executing the loop's code. As you can see, nothing is printed this time. That's because the condition j less than 5 was not true at the start, so the loop's code never executed. A do-while loop is useful when you want the code to run at least once, regardless of the condition. This makes it perfect for situations where you want to prompt a user for input until they give a valid response. And that's it for our tutorial on the do-while loop in Node.js JavaScript. I hope you found this helpful and I look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial. Happy coding!